In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a poll in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're coordinating a work project, gathering opinions for an event, or simply want feedback from your team in real time, polls in Microsoft Teams can be incredibly useful. Now, let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams. Make sure you're logged into the account that you intend to use for this task. If you don't have Microsoft Teams installed, you can easily download it from the official Microsoft website and then log in using your credentials. Once you're in Microsoft Teams, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the main screen where you'll see the chat icon. Clicking on this will open up your chat section. This feature is quite beneficial for both individual and group interactions. Now here's the step to look out for. Once you're in chat, you should see a small plus sign, or the plus icon, which is instrumental for adding additional features and apps into your conversation. In a typical scenario, this plus icon should be clickable. However, there are instances where it might not be. If you encounter this situation, don't worry, you're not alone. This could be due to a variety of reasons, such as permissions settings within your team's environment, or perhaps a connection issue. To solve this, you might want to check your internet connection first, or speak to your IT administrator to ensure that you have the necessary permissions. Should your plus icon be clickable, you'll want to click on it. Doing so will present you with a selection of different options that you can add to your chat environment. Among these, you'll find an option labeled Poll. Go ahead and click on Poll. Adding a poll to your chat will enable you to create questions and choices for your team to respond to. You can set up your poll with as many choices as needed and tailor the questions to garner the information you require. This feature is fantastic for gathering instant feedback and insights from your team, with the data being immediately accessible right within the chat. After you've set up your poll, go ahead and send it out to your team. It's all done within a few clicks, making it a very efficient tool for enhancing communication and decision-making within your organization. Remember, the more precise and concise your question, the more accurate feedback you'll receive. And that's it. You've now completed the process of adding a poll in Microsoft Teams. Implementing this tool will help streamline your team's coordination and decision-making activities. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit this video if you need a refresher, and good luck in making the most out of Microsoft Teams.